Hey guys, we are back again
back.
with another video, and this time it is very much requested Nangshire
Nangshire,
Eina
Eina,
Rangshire. So
Nangshire.
let's get started.
Let's go, guys. I am
Yes,
excited.
we are all excited. So, ooh, nice.
Ooh, nice guitar tone.
Ooh,
Love this.
yeah. Wow. I mean, this time I really like the
I
intro.
love the. Actually, I love flute.
Nice.
Ooh. Let's go, guys.
Oh, it's a music video.
Yeah.
Oh, she's pretty.
She is pretty.
Oh, she's also pretty.
That's
Ooh.
really good.
She is also pretty.
Everyone
All
is
of
pretty.
them are pretty. Cute.
Ooh.
Very vibrant.
Yeah.
Very vibrant. It's like they're preparing for some kind of party or
Yeah.
something.
Oh, this guy.
Oh, yeah. It's like they're talking with their eyes.
Yeah. Love it. Ooh.
Okay, bye.
I love the decoration actually.
Yeah, actually, this is very
And-
vibrant, and also this is night time.
It's
it
really
looks good.
Looks good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh my god! With excitement, he filled the bottle of water.
Bottle of water. Ooh. Oh, so
Cute.
sweet. Love it.
Why is he making the faces?
Ooh.
Hey, stop, everybody! Stop! Nice, easy steps.
I love all of it, man.
Yeah, this is cute. This is cute.
Oh,
Who sang this?
I don't know. Nangshire Reina Bitan.
Annalisa.
Annalisa.
Annalisa, nice vocal.
Bitan.
Shong Tham
Wow.
and Annalisa. Annalisa probably the
Female singer.
female vocal.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, bye.
guys.
Ooh, cute. Bubbles, I love Bubbles.
Yeah, she's really fond of bubbles, you know. Whenever we go to the
Fair, like public fair or
Public
something.
fair or
I'll
something,
buy
she
like
buys
bubbles.
bubbles
Of
and
course, I will
we do
bubbles.
this.
It's fun. No, actually, if you are traveling, like if you have a bike or something, just
Yeah.
do this, and then bubbles will already flow, and it is so cool. Like
Yeah.
it's really cool. I love it.
Ooh. So good. Wow.
Wow, both of the vocal is really nice.
Yeah. Look at
Shout
her.
out to Annalisa and Bitan.
Yeah.
Their vocal is really
Wow,
nice.
this soft tone and the
And
way.
yeah, the way of presenting and the vibrant nature of the
Yeah.
background, everything works together very nicely. I love this.
And both of the actors doing really great job. They
Great
look match.
job.
Yeah. They match each other.
Yeah, and also the chemistry is good between them.
Guys,
Bye.
हंसी तो फंसी guys.
If she smiles, you are dead.
Yeah. I love this.
I don't know who, but somebody said love is like a plague.
What? What do you mean by that?
Once you get it, you cannot like overcome it.
Okay,
It's like a plague.
it's like a plague. Wow, this shot
Wow.
is pure gem, guys. Look
Wow.
at her. She looks so gorgeous.
Yeah, so gorgeous.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my.
Wow.
Oh. I don't know why he's doing this, but
I don't know.
it's. I know why I'm gonna see. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Oh man, this
They are not
dreamy-
matching.
They are not matching, but
They are not matching.
yeah, I know. But this dreamy effect reminding me of my dream, you know.
Dreamy
That's
effect
beautiful
and
dreams of mine. Ooh.
such as
I'm dancing with some random girl, and I don't
some
know.
random girl.
I don't know their faces actually.
Oh yeah, that happens in
Yeah,
dreams.
in
You don't
dreams.
know their faces,
Actually,
but you kind of know who they are. This shot is really nice.
woo!
Wow. Ooh, what? Nice.
What they are doing, man?
Wow.
This is impressive. Wow,
Oh,
so
cute.
pretty.
Cute. I
Pretty.
really liked it. Yeah, I really liked it. Loved
I
it
loved
actually. Honestly, this is really nice. I love
Yeah,
the
man.
chemistry between these two, and
Because
also
they look so good.
I don't know what
in camera.
ChatGPT is doing here. I don't know what is the purpose of this. It
Yeah, I
looks
install
weird.
it. I don't know why.
It looks weird, really weird. Anyhow,
So-
if you are watching the video right now,
So please subscribe this channel.
yes,
Suck
and
in my direction.
watch our other videos because I will see you in the next video.
Till then, bye bye.